And it was amazing to see a beautiful sword like this. That means that behind all the conglomerate shells and stones that we have underneath, there is a real good preservation sword made of iron, most of it made of iron, except probably the handle, which usually were made of wood or any other material. We also assuming that this Crusader Knight belong to the community of knights that were sitting on the citadel of athletes, because it's not so far from there. And we're assuming right now, because it's the beginning of the research, we have to clean it, we have to do a Röntgen before that, and then we will get some more information about the sword. Maybe there is a name written on it, maybe there is a decoration, and that will also give us more information about the knight who hold this beautiful sword. Actually, it's heavy. Okay, it's heavy because of the stones that glue to it, and also because it's iron sword and very big one. There are some more big. There are other that bigger than this one, like what we call two-hand sword, but this is still very heavy. That means that the guy that hold this sword and fight with it was very strong. I'm trying to imagine him on the field with all the armor on him and the sword and fighting with it. It should be really in a good fitness. Maybe they were bigger than us today, but definitely stronger. And it's amazing.